Hello everyone! Magluluto tayo ngayon ng ating crunchy chicken breast fillet. Okay. So, ito lang ang kailangan natin. Chicken fillet. Alright, yung chicken fillet natin. Na-season ko lang ito siya ng seasoning. Kayo nang bahala kung anong gusto niyo. Gusto nyo taste sa inyong chicken, gusto nyo ng sweet and spicy, okay din. Pero ako kasi gusto ko lang ng normal na taste. So I just season this with salt and pepper and a little seasoning. So kailangan natin is chicken breast and egg, 1 egg lang, and this one is the breadcrumbs. So, beat lang natin yung egg natin. Alright. So, we need to season this one first with pepper and a little of seasoning and salt. Okay. This one. Alright. That's it. So, beat lang natin siya. Okay. So, pwede ito guys sa mga mommies yan na nag-iisip kung anong pwedeng lutuin para sa baon ng ating mga kiddos. Ito, perfect talaga ito guys. Okay? Dip lang natin siya dyan. And then next is i-dip natin siya sa ating breadcrumbs. Alright. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so ganyan na yung kanyang mukha. Alright. This one. So, gawin lang natin yan hanggang sa maubos yung ating desired na or yung hinanda natin na chicken fillet. Perfect talaga ito guys for baon ng ating mga kids sa school. Okay. And then habang naghahanda tayo niyan, kailangan muna nating ipainit yung ating oil dito sa ating pan. So, ginamit ko dito yung non-sticky guys. Mas maganda pag non-sticky yung ganito. Okay, mukhang nahihiya yung aking. Alright, that's it. Oh. So, oil natin ng konti lang guys. Okay. So, ganyan lang siya. Huwag natin masyadong damihan para less naman tayo ng oil for the good health. Alright. So, habang hinahanda natin yung ating breast, painit natin yung oil natin dyan. Okay. So, go back here. Let's finish the procedure of our crunchy chicken breast. Okay, yan na. Since mainit na yung ating pan, ilalagay na natin yung ating breast fillet. Okay. kailangan ganyan lang yung ating oil para hindi siya masyadong oily. And mahina lang yung ating apoy para hindi masusunog yung ating breadcrumbs. Kasi kailangan natin lutuin yung ating meat fillet ng mga 10 minutes both sides. So, kailangan mahina lang yung apoy para hindi masunog yung crunchy. Okay. Alright everyone, this is our finished food. Ayan, luto na ang ating niluluto na crunchy chicken fillet. Alright guys, that's it. Ayan, wow, looks so yummy. Okay, thank you everyone. Sana nakatulong. Enjoy your meals and happy cooking. Bye. Thank you. Alright, that's it. Ayan. Ayan na yung mukha niya, guys. Yan, maluto na yan, guys. Ayan. Okay, wow. So crunchy. Looks so yummy. Okay, transfer na natin siya sa ating plate. Alright, that's the plate. There you go. Okay, one more. Alright, that's it. So it's eating time, everyone. This is it.
Ayan, kainan na! Yum, yum, guys! Okay na dyan.
Ito ka